Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making an interesting game. The name of it is Tic Tac Toe on a canvas. We need some coins for the players. All we need is some masking tape, a paintboard of course, and some scissors to cut the masking tape, and a ruler. And we're going to use inches for 3 fingers. And some brushes. And these are the ones I'm going to use. And some paints, of course. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! To make a tic-tac-toe board, we need to divide the canvas into 3 equal parts to make 9 squares. To divide the board, I'm using a scale. Now I'm going to put the masking tape on the dots I made. It's better if you don't cut it first, like this. See how nicely it came? Okay, now I'm ready to color in the squares with yellow and orange. Make sure you color the yellow in all the squares first and then the orange. I asked my mom to put 2 dots in every square, one from yellow and one from orange. Because you have to do yellow first, otherwise it's gonna look like only orange. And you gotta be sure you don't color out of the squares. It's okay if you color on the masking tape. Now I can do orange. I'm just going to blend the colors in the middle of the yellow and orange. I'm just making it like the orange is getting lighter and lighter. That's the effect we like. Like before, I'm going to do the light color and then the dark color. So light green first. And again you can ask your parents for the dots even for this one. Now same process for the dark green. Now same process for blending. Now I'm done painting. Leave it for 15-20 minutes to dry, or use a hair dryer to dry it. Hair dryers will take 5 minutes at least. Now all that's left is to take the masking tape off. But subscribe, like, and share to see more amazing videos sooner than anyone. And don't forget to hit the bell button too. Now all that's left is to play. I won! You can play it again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.